Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve another warm-up CTF challenge from Intigriti CTF 2024 and this one is called Baby Flow. So that being said, let's jump in. Now coming to the challenge over here, it says baby flow right over here and it says does this login application even work, and we are provided a netcat command to communicate with an server, and we do have the port as well, and we do have a baby flow binary here as well. So coming to the terminal, I already have downloaded that binary, so let's try to run it. And before running this one, like before going over to the netcat command, because netcat command will be the actual one which is running, and we need to do something over here to get the flag. So it says enter the password, we can try anything random, and it says wrong password. So to analyze what's going on, we are provided a binary, so I can perform a file operation on that binary, that is elf binary 64-bit, and this is how it is. So first thing first, let's try to run the binary and let's see what it says. So it says enter the password. Again, let's try anything random, and it says incorrect password. So now there are a lot of things I can do: ltrace, strace. So the best thing which I normally like to do is do strings on that one to find out what is going on, because sometimes strings does help us a lot. So if I scroll up somewhere right over here, you will see that the exact same thing is here. Enter password. This is the password, I think so, which is the correct password, and then I should get the flag, I think so. Let's see. So if I copy this password right over here, and if I try to do, let's try to run this one. Enter the password, enter, and it says correct password. Are you sure you are admin? So again, this was quite tough for those who doesn't know all about buffer overflow, so you can get stuck a lot over here. So what you can do over here is, since the file name is baby flow, so what you can do is try to find out some sort of a buffer overflow. So first thing what you can do is you can just try to paste a huge amount of input, and there you go. This says that you have the flag, so this prints out the flag. But the other thing what we can try to do is, let's say if I try to do anything random, let's see if this works. Enter, and this one doesn't work because this is a wrong password. So whatever you're doing in bulk, it is matching the password. If that password keyword is present over here, you should get the flag. So let's try this on the remote server. If I copy this netcat, let's copy this again, paste, enter, and here we do have the flag for this challenge. Now another approach to this one was that, again, I'm not much good at binary, those sort of things, but again I normally use gdb pound debug. So there is a blog post on infosec, let me show you that, to set up how it works. So I think so that is gdb pound debug. If I do infosec right up, or let's say infosec, I think so there should be, yeah, this one. The first one is the blog which I follow to install all these: pound debug, jeff, and peda. So after that, what I did was, if I do gdb pound debug baby flow, I can just see how the execution is going on, since I don't know how to do binary exploitation and these sort of things right now. But still, I can do is start and I can see all these things. So I will not do one by one instruction like what is going on. So I will just do n, hit enter, n, hit enter, and this is where my current execution state is. It says enter the password. So if I do n, hit enter again, so print is the one which will print out enter password. Now if I do n again, it should prompt me to enter the password. So let's see if I do n again and again. Yeah, fget should do over here. There you go. So I can see right over here, this is where our current execution is. Fgets is the function which actually asks for the input, and I can see it will compare somewhere in future with this password. So I will just try to enter the correct password, hit enter, and now you will see that here I am having all of my passwords right over here, and you can see string compare is also going on. So right now we are over here after getting the input, and string compare will try to compare this with something. So if I just do n, and let's move up till string compare. So string compare, and there you go. You can see it is comparing this value with this value, and if this is correct, it will show us correct password, and then it will put something on the screen and so on. So if I just do n and n and n again, so this is where the flag is getting printed out. So what we do is we overflow the buffer, and then when the flag normally gets printed out. So that was all about this challenge.